Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix error code VAN79 in Valorant game. So if you are coming through this kind of error, then go through the methods discussed in this video. So the first method is to check Valorant servers. So you should check the Riot game service status page by going to the link that I have already provided in the description, or even go to the official Twitter page. So just open this link to check the server status. Now after the web link open, here you have to select and then check for the game, click on it, click on continue, and here you will see if any kind of server problem is going on. If yes, then you have to wait for some time, and after that again check if you can play the game without any kind of error. Next method is to restart VGC service. So for that, go to the services, search for VGC, double click on it. Under startup tab, choose automatic, click on start, tap on apply, and then relaunch Valorant once again. So go to the Windows search over here, search for services. Now here you have to search for VGC. Now open it, and here in the startup type you have to select automatic and then click on start, and you have to wait for some time. After that, click on OK and then relaunch Valorant once again, and then check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next method is to check your internet connection. So you should run a speed test or switch to a wired connection, as Wi-Fi is prone to interference and fluctuations. So using an Ethernet cable provides a more stable and reliable connection, and after you check your internet connection is stable or not, and then check if the error is resolved or not. If not, next is to reset or restart your router. So it's suggested to reset or restart your router once, because this can also be another reason for the error you are coming across. So make sure you restart your router once and then check if the problem is fixed. Next is to update network driver. So for that, go to the Windows search over here, search for device manager. Now go below. Here you have to search for network drivers, expand it, select your network drivers. Now right click on it and click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your network drivers, and after updating, check if the problem is fixed. Next method is to change DNS. So for that, you have to enter the DNS settings that is mentioned here. So for that, first go to the Windows setting over here, then click search for control panel, then click on network and internet, then click on network and sharing center. Now click on change adapter settings. Now right click on your Wi-Fi, then click on properties. Now here you have to select internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties, and here you have to use the following DNS provided, that is 8.8.8.8, and in the below here you have to type 8.8.4.4. so after doing this, click on OK and then check if the problem you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, next is to reset your connection settings. So here you have to paste these command prompts one by one, and after that, after you paste all these commands in the command prompt, then you have to reset the network settings. So for that, go to the settings and click on network and internet. So first go to the Windows search for settings, then click on network and internet option, then go below, click on advanced network settings, then here click on network reset, and then finally click on reset now. So after resetting your network after resetting your network, then check if the problem you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, then the final method is to uninstall Riot client. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings over here. Now click on apps, then click on installed apps, and here you have to search for the Riot client or Riot Vanguard. Now go below and search for the Riot Vanguard over here. The Riot Vanguard is here. You simply have to click on three dot icon and then click on uninstall. So after uninstalling this, restart our PC once. So after restarting, now launch the Riot Vanguard and try to play the Valorant game and check if everything is working fine without any kind of issues or errors. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.